Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my August of 2019 Boxycharm box. I noticed that this box is really little, like it's a lot like skinnier and like, I don't know, smaller than what it normally is. So I haven't cheated. I did see that on their Instagram page that they had like the Becca, what is it, like a powder? So that I did see, but everything else, like once I started seeing like when it says sneak peek, preview, whatever, I was just scrolling up. I was like, not today, Satan, not today. So I actually only have on my eyebrows just because like a girl gotta put on eyebrows. I'm sorry guys, I can't come on here without eyebrows. So that's the only thing that I have on. I don't have anything else. I did prep my face with my skincare, but then that's it. So everything else will be a surprise. So bear with me. Okay, so opening the box. Totally Boxycharm is the theme. I'll go ahead and take out everything individually and then give you guys the price in the description right after it. Okay, so open, and this is the box. Ooh. Okay, so this is the first thing in the box that I'm grabbing. It is the Wander Beauty Go Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this says, multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. And the total of this is $42. Holy crap, this thing is $42. That is expensive. And that's crazy because Boxycharm is only $21 a month. So you're already getting your bang for your buck. Next thing in the box is this mascara from Tarte, the Big Ego Mascara. This is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Retailing at $23. I've never had a vegan mascara. I don't really know like what's the difference if it's vegan or not. I don't know. And the 16 hours, I actually have a 10-hour shift today, so I will let you guys know if it lasts. I work in a restaurant, and one of the biggest things that always happens to me is going to the back where they're frying food. There's so much steam that's always hitting your face, and because my lashes usually like curl up to right here and like I have kind of semi-hooded eyes, I always get like black lines right here. Like my mascara smudges onto here, and I'm always having to go to the bathroom. I usually keep little Q-tips in my bag, and then I'm like wiping because that happens to me all the time. So if this is 16 hours, we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated in the description below, or maybe like on the corner here to let you know if it really did last that long. This is a full-size product. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is so neon. Ugh. City girl summer all month with this. So this one is really big actually. I think that it's gonna be able to get my lashes. Also, disclaimer, so I peeled off my eyelash extensions one by one. I did it with coconut oil. It still didn't make a damn difference because I literally took off like, I wanna say like 89% of my natural lashes. So if I look like a sick patient right now, I'm not sick. Promise, I'm not sick. I just don't have any eyelashes anymore because I literally took them off because they were driving me freaking crazy. So I'm like low-key hoping that this mascara is gonna give me some sort of like something, because I barely have eyelashes now. And it's driving me crazy because I'm so tempted to go back and get them redone, but like I would literally take off 100% of my eyelashes, and I can't do that. Like I already barely had eyelashes to begin with, and now your girl got nothing. And the next thing in the box are these two little ColourPop looking eyeshadows. This one is called Cotton Candy, and it's a Glimmer shadow from Ace Beauty. And this one is called Ice Latte. So this is like a golden brown, and then this one is like a pink gold. Literally like I see pink and I see gold completely equally in this pan. So these are from Ace Beauty. They're Glimmer Shadow Duo, and has high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And these retail for $25. And that's a lot for these little things. Honestly, these look like ColourPop. Like I don't know if, let me see, if they feel the same way as the these feel more wet actually. Okay, no, but definitely the color payoff is definitely there. Let me swatch the other one too. They feel really wet. This one. Okay, yeah, the color is definitely there. Like, there's no doubt about it. That's extremely pigmented. So worth the $25? I don't know. We'll see. The next thing in the box I see is the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Chic. Oh, just kidding, Chic. God, Chic, guys, it's Chic. And this retails for $15. That's like MAC prices. You remember back then when we used to all get like MAC lip liners because that was like the SHIT. And they used to retail, I think, for the same price. I think now they're probably like $1 or $2 more, but that's expensive for a lip liner, in my opinion. This says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. We will see about that. I know that one time in an Ipsy box, well, not an Ipsy box, in an Ipsy bag, I got a Steve Laurent lip liner too, and it was really patchy. I didn't like it. That's like just me being straight up. I do remember that. So hopefully this is not the same. We'll see. And then the last thing in the box is this baby right here. This is like the main star, I feel like, this month's box because everybody got this. This is a Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And it looks like this. This retails for $39. That still blows my mind how like almost, well, literally, well, except for the lip liner, but everything else in here, valued alone, is already more than the box because the box is $21 and everything else is $25, $23, $42, $39. The lip liner was $15, so that it doesn't count. But this is the Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh Powder. Weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and, okay, this is either glycerin or glycerin. I've heard the pronunciation of both. I don't know which one is correct, so correct me if I'm wrong. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and try on is this Wander Beauty Illuminating Face Oil. Shake it up. Oh, this is so cute. It has a little topper. It's like the Touch and Soul primer that came, I think it was last month. Well, it's like in the same packaging. This says, gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips. Massage into skin until fully absorbed. So let's see. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. A little action never hurt anybody. Oh, this is pink. And it's super shimmery. Low-key, it smells like nail polish. It smells like the nail salon. Like, it's not in such a bad, like, not so much like nail polish, but like the nail salon. Like, you know how the nail salon has a mixture of smells? So like it has the nail polish and then it also has like the lotion because they're always massaging people. Like, it's kind of a mixture of that. Oh, okay, this is absorbing really nicely. It's actually like seeking right into the skin because I could feel it. Like, it's not sticky at all, but I could feel that it's like dissolving, absorbing, whatever. Like, it's starting to go away. Like, I can't really massage it no more. Like, if I go like this, I'm just rubbing my skin at this point because like it's already absorbed into the skin. That feels nice. I like that actually. Shoot, for $42, better like it, right? Just kidding. It's not like we paid $42 for this. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and put on my foundation and I'm gonna set it now with the Becca powder. I did not put on concealer because I don't really wear concealer. Little fun fact. It always looks green and like the bags and the circles under my eyes, it doesn't look right for me. Like, I haven't found a concealer that works for me. I've tried many different shades and it just doesn't work. So I don't wear concealer, I completely skip it. I still will be setting underneath my eyes right here and then my T-zone just because that's the most oily area I have. I have dry skin everywhere, but then oily skin on my T-zone. I'm still gonna set my whole face though. Like, let's be real. I'm gonna just do everything. But those are like the main area that I'm gonna concentrate on. Keep me close to keep me cool. Oh, that went everywhere. Oh, what the hell? When you, oh, damn. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like a little trampoline. This is so cute. You push it. Oh my God. This reminds me of like when you would steal your mom's makeup back then when she'd like have Avon. I don't know about you guys, but like it would come in a little compact just like this. That's so cute. So I'm gonna do my little trampoline. This is going everywhere. Excuse me if I'm looking this way, but I have a mirror over there, so that's where I'm gonna be looking. That feels like water. Oh my god. It feels like I'm putting water on my face. Whoa, that is really cooling. Oh my god, Becca, you did not lie. Oh my goodness. That feels like water, like if you're putting water on your face. Literally. Oh my god, that is so cool. Get it? Cool. I'm sorry, ignore me please. Oh my god, how is that not wet? That literally, wow. No, and it's definitely powder. That's crazy. Oh my god, this is literally gonna be my new setting powder all summer long. The rest of summer of what we have. Well, just kidding, I live in Miami, so summer all the time. Super translucent too, like it's not giving off a color, which I like. Because honestly, some translucent powders though, they look so white. Just be making me look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Okay, I'm done. And honestly, it's so crazy because this is not tacky or sticky. Like, I don't know, when you put it on, it feels super cool, but it dries the powder. Becca, you got me mind blown. Go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and then come right back. Yeah, so for my sanity, we're gonna ignore this side of my face and how excessive I went with the bronzer. Because is it really Lexi if she don't overdo it on the bronzer? No, it is not. If you know, then you know. So for my sanity, we're gonna ignore this. I did, however, try to use the Becca powder to bake right underneath here to try to like kind of tone it down. Spoiler, you can't use it for baking. It just doesn't work. It doesn't like go on. Like it's so cooling and absorbing to the skin that the minute that you put the powder on, it just absorbs into the skin. So there is no baking. So if that's what you had in mind, get it out because it ain't gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the eyes. I can't really work with much, so what I'm gonna do is put this gold one all over the lid, and then I'll go ahead and put this like pinkish one on the inner corners. I am gonna use my bronzer for a transition color just cause I feel like it'll look weird if it doesn't. I didn't set my eyes or put any like primer on just cause I feel like if it's like a cream sort of base, and you put it on top of powder, like won't it mess up? I don't know. I'm not a pro. I'm not professional at all. So I don't know. That's just my assumption on it. So I'm just going to put it on, smack it on bare just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys closer to my face. Remember, we're ignoring this side. Okay, we're agreeing on this. So we're ignoring this side. I'm going to try to use my finger on this shadow just to see if it, this damn thunder every single time. I know y'all hear that. I'm so sorry, guys. This is hurricane season in Miami for those who don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna try to use my finger and then I'll start to apply it with a brush. Hello, pigment. Okay, girl, I see you. Okay, so I'm kind of getting it everywhere with my finger. So I'm gonna fix it up with a brush, but I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side really quick. Just blend that in with my bronzer. Okay, so this glitter is going everywhere. Like, it's literally spreading everywhere. But that could have been me with my big finger. No judgment. So I just have the brown on. I am gonna still do the other color in the inner corner, but I'm gonna put on the mascara first, just so like I don't mess it up. I'm really hoping, Tarte, that you got my back right now because I have no lashes, okay? I ripped them all off and I regret it and I wish I never did it. Please be on my side right now. Okay, so honestly, I really do like this mascara. It just sucks that I have no lashes, you know, for it to really show itself. I only have, I'm telling you, I took off like 80% of my lashes, so like I'm really left with nothing, but the little bit that I have, the little pelitos that are left, it did bring it out, so I do like it. It did lengthen it with as much as you can lengthen with this. It does have fallout, like I don't know if you guys can see, but like I do see it all down here. I applied it so messy that I low-key did a top eyeliner for myself. Like, what? 2 birds, 1 stone, baby. That's okay though. I meant to do that. Sure. I see so many gaps on where my lashes used to be and where they no longer are. Guys, seriously, if you have eyelash extensions, go to the person to do it. Don't take them off yourself. Don't be like me. You know those little stick figures? Be like Anna. Anna minds her business, or something like that. We should make one that says, this is Lexi. Lexi pulls off her own eyelashes. Don't be like Lexi. All right, I went ahead and finished up the mascara. I added a little liner just to add dimension because, you know, I kind of like did a little bit too much on the top, and then I put it on the bottom lashes. I really like how it looks on the bottom lashes though, because I have more bottom lashes than top. Dear. Last thing I have to try on is just the lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that on as well. So automatically off the bat, first impressions, this color is beautiful. Honest to God, it's a beautiful color. I feel like this is an everyday wearable color. However, it is very patchy. Like, yeah, I don't think you'd be able to see like the missing patches on here, but it's very patchy. It was creamy, so it wasn't like rough how the other one that I had gotten a while ago was. It wasn't rough at all. It did apply smoothly, it just applies in patches. So like, I feel like when you kind of like re-go over one, it kind of takes it off. I really don't think that this will last 16 hours. To be really completely honest, I don't think it will. But we'll see. I'll definitely update you guys. I actually forgot to put the second eyeshadow on, so retracting some steps here. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. My bad, guys. I'm a mess sometimes. Go ahead and spray some Fix Plus on my face. It feels so good to be able to do that without like covering my eyes. So refreshing. Okay, everybody, that completes my video. Those were my thoughts on all the products, and I will go ahead and update you guys. We'll leave you guys like updated in the description down below. I'll let you know if the lip liner actually lasted the 16 hours. I'll let you know about the eyeshadows, the mascara. Did it actually like fade? Like I said, I work in a restaurant, so going to the back to get like stuff from the kitchen, the heat and the smoke is always going to my face, and that's like the main problem that I have with mascaras. I don't think that's gonna be the problem because low-key my lashes are not reaching. They're not reaching the top of my damn eyebrows. So we'll see, but I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.